remedies of the grade 88, and today we will cook Arepa, and the ingredients are 2 wheels of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil, wheel grater cheese, water wheels, milk wheels, in a bowl, and a skillet, and normal cheese. And now come with me to let's see how cook this. In a bowl, we incorporate 2 wheels of flour. Then the teaspoon of salt and beat well. Add the tablespoon of oil. Then you add the wheel of cheese. And beat well. We need batter very good, for the ingredients are short cooking. Be careful with the oil, with the hands now. For incorporating everything. Add the mixture little bit lighter water and warm milk. Add little the water to incorporate everything. And the milk too. Little and little. Remember, little and little. To incorporate everything. These mixtures are so funny to do with your family and your sons and your cousins, your boyfriend if you want. Put them in your pan. Shape. Then we open a little hole and put the cheese. We mold and place it in your pan. good cuisiner. Then, with the other part are prepared, you can eat it. And ready, and have your arepas made. Ready for this arepa. Delicious. Thanks for watching this video.